Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the resource of WIREFRAME. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of design. Basically, it got the following characteristics. A website wireframe or an app wireframe, also known as an outline page or a screenplate, is a visual guide that represents the skeleton or visual structure of a digital development. The purpose of this is to define the content and the position of various blocks through your website, art, or digital development. How to make a wireframe? The first thing that you need to know is that the wireframe must define the structure and the hierarchy of the page. You must indicate where each content appears. It must indicate the behavior and operation of element with which can interact or which will have a move. So that is very important that you keep that in mind. So a wireframe is a resource that it has been growing up a lot since everything is digital. So from the 4.0 revolution in this industry, this resource is extremely important because you can use it for your website or for your application. And basically what it does is to distribute and make the position of each of the pages that you will have. So the first thing that you need to know is that the wireframe must define the structure and page, and something that is very important is that you can navigate easy everything. So you know where all the resources are, where is the navigation tree and all of that. Of course, you need to have an image that shows everything. So in this case, we have like different images around. Of course, we need to have a menu. The menu is very important because you have it also in your application or in your website. The experience is very important because it will allow you to navigate. So everything is user-centered design. When you use this principle, you are taking care of the needs of your user. So everything is has one basic purpose, which is to make easy to navigate. So you must indicate where each content appears. So that's very important because we already know that at the beginning of each development, you will have a, a menu and it will show everything and also like the different indicators. Of course, you need to have buttons, and these buttons will lead you to another page. You always start from the landing page, and every time that you press a new button, you should go to a new page, and you also have to have all the architecture of that website. It must indicate the behavior and operation of the element which can interact or which will have to move. So that is very important because you need to test this a lot. You will have a first an approach, but when the user start interacting, he will give you feedback about, okay, this is easier, this part is a little bit more complicated. So basically the idea is that you can have all the components that will allow you to understand and make a better decision. So as a conclusion, we can say that the wireframe is it's a basic concept that will allow you to distribute all the information page by page. So here you can make a storyboard before you make the final design. And the idea is that all the navigation, uh, even though that could be an application or it can be a website, it's easy. The axis and design concept must be the user experience, and of course, it needs to have the branding of all the websites. So that is extremely important and it will allow you to have a better development. Thank you so much. I hope this video is a big help for your education. Please subscribe to our channel. Follow us on social media, LinkedIn, Instagram. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.